Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we're delving into the world of outdoor living with a focus on cedar deck designs, and let's learn how to decorate your deck with stunning design ideas. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Cedar, a naturally durable and beautiful wood, offers a timeless and elegant solution for enhancing your outdoor space. A cedar deck is an outdoor platform constructed primarily from cedar wood. This versatile material is not only aesthetically pleasing but also highly resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage. But why should you choose cedar for your deck? Here are some compelling reasons. First, natural beauty. Cedar's rich, warm tones add a touch of natural elegance to any outdoor space. Second, durability. Cedar is naturally resistant to rot, decay, and insect damage, making it a long-lasting investment. Third, low maintenance. With proper care, a cedar deck can last for many years with minimal maintenance. Fourth, versatility. Cedar decks can be designed to suit any style, from traditional to modern. Decorating your cedar deck can transform it into a stunning outdoor oasis. Here are some tips for how to decorate your cedar deck to look beautiful. First, outdoor furniture. Invest in comfortable and stylish outdoor furniture, such as lounge chairs, dining sets, and swings. Second, plants and flowers. Add a touch of greenery with potted plants, hanging baskets, or raised garden beds. Third, lighting. Illuminate your deck with stylish outdoor lighting, such as string lights, lanterns, or spotlights. Fourth, outdoor rugs. Define different seating areas with outdoor rugs and add a cozy touch to your deck. Fifth, outdoor art. Enhance your deck's aesthetic appeal with outdoor sculptures, wall art, or wind chimes. In order to elevate your cedar deck, consider incorporating these essential items as the best items for cedar deck designs. 1. High-quality cedar lumber. Invest in premium-grade cedar lumber to ensure durability and longevity. 2. Weather-resistant outdoor furniture. Choose furniture made from materials like teak, wrought iron, or all-weather wicker. 3. Durable outdoor fabrics. Opt for fabrics that are resistant to fading, mildew, and moisture. 4. Stylish outdoor accessories. Add personality to your deck with decorative pillows, throws, and outdoor rugs. And to inspire you more, here are 10 inspiring cedar deck design ideas to transform your outdoor space. 1. Classic cedar deck. This timeless design features a simple, rectangular shape with clean lines and a natural wood finish. It's perfect for those who prefer a traditional, understated look. 2. Modern cedar deck. A contemporary take on the classic cedar deck, this design incorporates sleek, minimalist furniture and bold geometric shapes. It's ideal for homeowners who want a stylish and sophisticated outdoor space. 3. Rustic cedar deck. This cozy, cabin-inspired design features weathered wood, stone accents, and comfortable seating areas. It's perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. 4. Mediterranean cedar deck. Inspired by the sunny climates of the Mediterranean, this design incorporates terracotta tiles, wrought iron furniture, and lush greenery. It's ideal for creating a relaxed and romantic outdoor space. 5. Tropical cedar deck. This vibrant and exotic design features bold colors, tropical plants, and flowing fabrics. It's perfect for creating a luxurious and indulgent outdoor oasis. 6. Elevated cedar deck. This multi-level design offers stunning views and maximizes space. It's perfect for homes with sloping terrain or limited yard space. 7. Covered cedar deck. This sheltered outdoor space can be enjoyed year-round, regardless of the weather. It's perfect for entertaining guests or simply relaxing with a good book. 8. Cedar deck with pergola. A pergola adds a touch of elegance and provides shade and protection from the elements. It's perfect for creating a defined outdoor dining or seating area. 9. Cedar deck with fire pit. A fire pit is a great way to extend the life of your deck and create a cozy atmosphere for cool evenings. It's perfect for gathering with friends and family. 10. Cedar deck with swimming pool. This luxurious design combines the best of both worlds. A beautiful deck and a refreshing swimming pool. It's perfect for hot summer days. A cedar deck is a beautiful and functional addition to any home. By following these tips and design ideas, you can create an outdoor oasis that you'll love spending time in. For more inspiration and design ideas, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.